Tutorial BIM files in ProjectCAD. The new ProjectCAD 2020 version allows to import or to attach BIM files, improving collaboration and exchanging data with construction professionals using Revit or other BIM software. A building information modeling or BIM file is a drawing that typically contains a 3D model of a building that can be used for visualization, design, analysis, and to generate building construction documentation. ProjectCAD 2020 users can now enrich drawings with millions of Revit BIM blocks, downloading free high-quality objects and data from many dedicated portals. You can attach or import the following types of BIM files. RVT format – drawing files used by Autodesk Revit for building and construction data. RFA format – Revit family files used by Autodesk Revit typically for storing building and construction elements. IFC format – files in the IFC Industry Foundation Classes format used for building and construction data. Attaching underlays. Attaching a BIM file is similar to attaching an image file. RVT and RFA files can be attached only in the 64-bit version of the program. To attach a BIM underlay, do one of the following to choose a BIM underlay. On the ribbon, choose Insert BIM Attach. In the menu, choose Insert BIM File BIM Attach. Type BIM Attach and then press Enter. Choose an RVT, RFA or IFC file which you want to attach. Click Open, select the insertion point, enter the scale in which to insert the file, then press Enter. Enter a rotation angle to use for insertion, then press Enter. After you have attached the BIM underlay, note the following. Layers. Even though BIM files do not contain layers, you can control visibility by enabling, disabling floors or categories using the BIM panel. The command BIM pane opens the BIM panel, which is used to browse the project data and to control the content visibility. When the BIM panel is opened in a BIM drawing, you can view the BIM data by category, hierarchy, and views. Exploding. BIM underlays can be exploded into ProjectCAD entities. Importing BIM files to retain their entities. The import of IFC, RVT, or RFA files creates separate entities for each item in the file and converts those items into meshes. Do one of the following to choose BIM in. On the ribbon, choose Insert BIM Import. In the menu, choose Insert BIM File BIM Import. Type BIM Import and then press Enter. Choose a file you want to open. Click Open. Select the insertion point, enter the scale, then press Enter. Enter a rotation angle, then press Enter. Download ProjectCAD 2020 and try all the new features. After a free 30-day trial, you can buy a perpetual and affordable license with no annual fee.